Hello guys, this is Marcus from IT Solutions. In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about file sizes. So file sizes for images that you're going to use on your website. Lately I've had a few websites made where people upload their own photos and they tend to be a little bit big. So basically the size in megabytes are a little bit too big. So for instance, I got some images from a client which he wanted to upload to their website, and as you can see here, the size is well above 10 megabytes on most of these images. So what are we gonna do about this? There's a very good plugin called ImageOptim. So this is mainly for Mac users. But I'm going to show you also a free version for lowering the size, reducing the size of images also on PC. So if you've got a PC, you're going to press other versions here once you go to imageoptim.com, and you're going to see an alternative here, File Optimizer, which you can use as well. So for us that have Mac, basically you press the Mac app, or you just enter the website and you download this. Drag it into your apps folder and you will be able to use this plugin. Now what this does is it really takes those images. So let me just open ImageOptim here. It's going to look like this. Now be very careful. What I would do is recommend you to make a copy of these images, because we're going to replace the existing images with the optimized ones. So I'm just gonna put originals here, and then I'm going to maybe I'll just compress them into an archive, so I have the originals there. As you can see now, everything is over 10 megabytes, and if you look at the quality of these images, they're quite good. Let me just open one of these, so you'll see that it's quite good quality images. Now I've created my archive, which is on the top here, and I'm just selecting all of these images, dragging them into this ImageOptim, and it's going to start automatically. And I set the JPEG, and this is the default settings, right? JPEG quality 50%. Now it's going to be quite a good result on this. As you see here, there's a 96.1% saving on this image. So you're going to be seeing quite a dramatic change here on these images. So as you see there, it dropped to 344. We had 13.4, that came in at 1.1. So this is a really quick way of reducing the size and actually making images more web friendly, because every time if I would put all of these images on one website, one web page, every time somebody enters that web page, they have to load those images, and it can be quite a lot if we add all of these megabytes up. So think about that always. Run them in a tool like ImageOptim, it's a great tool, or do it manually in something like Photoshop. Make sure that you save it as a web version there as well. And then also you can take a look at the dimensions of it. So if you got something that's like 7,000 times 4,000, 7,000 times 4,000, that's going to be a lot. So it's definitely enough to have a width of 2,440, something like that. That is definitely enough. I normally go with 1920 width in pixels, and that's quite fine. So as you see here now, these are coming in one by one, optimizing, and then you're gonna have those optimized images to use on your website. that's all for now, and please make sure that you take a look at our website. If you need any help, you're just welcome to contact us at any time, and I hope this has given you something. Thanks, and see you next time.